Factors influencing the working capital requirement. Nature or characteristic of the business. The working capital requirement of firm depends upon the nature of its business. Public utility undertakings like electricity, water supply need working capital. They offer cash sales only and supply sales, not products. Such no funds are tied up in the inventories and the receivables, whereas trading and financial firms require less investment. Secondly, size of the business or scale of operations. Greater the size of the business unit, larger will be the requirement of working capital, and vice versa. Smaller the size of the business unit required, less amount of working capital. Production policy. The requirements of working capital depend upon production policy. If the policy is to keep production steady by accumulating inventories, it will require higher working capital. The production could be kept either steady by accumulating inventories during slack periods, which view to meet high demand during peak season. Four, manufacturing process or length of production cycle. Longer the process of period of manufacturing, larger is the amount of working capital required. The longer the manufacturing time, the raw materials and other supplies has to be carried for longer period in the process of, with the progressive increment of labor and service cost. Before finished product is finally obtained, therefore, if there are alternative processes for production, the process with the shortest production period should be chosen. Level of competition. The level of competition in the market always determines the working capital. If the competition is more, we require more working capital, less working capital. Credit policy, business cycles, rate of growth of business, ending capacity, price level changes, all these are influences the working capital.